Welcome to the channel. Today we will learn how any worker can create their own personal digital twin to analyze tasks, optimize processes, and improve their work efficiency. The image illustrates how digital twins transform everyday activities, allowing you to delegate repetitive tasks to artificial intelligence, AI, and focus on higher value activities. That if you are looking to maximize your productivity and take advantage of this technology, stay until the end of the video. A personal digital twin is a virtual replica of your tasks and workflows. It helps you simulate scenarios, identify areas for improvement, and delegate tasks to AI. The image shows how a sales agent uses his digital twin to analyze the performance of his calls and improve the conversion rate. Reflect on your daily activities to define areas for improvement, such as optimizing response times or automating repetitive tasks. For example, a customer service worker can focus on reducing the average query resolution time. Data is essential to creating an accurate digital twin. Image details how to integrate data from platforms like Trello, Asana, or time tools like Toggle. Use tools like Zapier or Make to automate the transfer of data between systems. This centralizes information and facilitates analysis. Tools such as Microsoft Power BI enable non-technical workers to build digital twins using visual interfaces. The image shows how a salesperson uses Power BI to visualize sales data and adjust his strategy. That if you have technical expertise, you can use Python with libraries such as Pandas and Scikit-learn to create predictive models and complex simulations. Represent your daily tasks in a digital format. For example, a financial analyst can model how changes in market conditions affect his or her strategy. That he tries different approaches and evaluates their impact before implementing them. Figure 5 shows how a project manager simulates the redistribution of tasks among his team to balance the workload. Evaluate the performance of your digital twin through key performance indicators, KPIs, such as productivity, response time, or quality of work. Adjust the model as needed to keep it relevant. If you want to learn more about how to create your own digital twin and optimize your job performance, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we can develop a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.